If you want to connect printer on your CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we can go to settings. Over here choose connected devices, and after that go to connection and preferences. You should be able to find printing option, and then we can start by going to default print service in order to try to find your printer over here. Of course, not every single time, not every printer can be detected like this. So if you cannot find your printer over here, if you cannot connect it, then alternatively you can also go to add service in order to open the Play Store with different additional apps for different printers. So you want to select the app that is made by the same company as your printer, and then try to connect like this. And in some occasions, in some cases, you might want to also check the user manual of your printer in order to check if there is a specific app required for you to be able to connect on your phone with your printer. Because most of the time, actually, I think, especially nowadays, printers require very specific apps to be installed on phones in order to be able to connect the printer. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!